Oh, hi guys! I hope you're doing good today. Meron akong tula na ipaparinig sa inyo na pinamagatang Mastery of Math. Math is hard. Math is logic. Different patterns, just like magic. Anytime, anywhere, we're seeing math, even though we are nursing or in different paths. So let's listen to the harmony of prime number song in the language of math, where solutions belong. Math is a universal language that everyone knows. So let's define math in different flows. A lot of concepts were being told. So let's study math to make patterns unfold. Among proposition, simple or compound, just like this conjunction that has or to be found. So it's time to elaborate in solving equations, because math is logic that can spread informations. I know I need to improve my mastery into this session. At least I proved to myself that I have progression. So the inspiration of this piece is based on my experience learning mathematics. I know that math is my weaknesses in terms of the course that I take, but math proves me that I can also excel into this subject. It is a matter of dig into it and apply it in everyday life.